Hello YouTube fam. Today is gonna be another good one. Today we're gonna be cooking Rotel Dip and pasta salad. You don't wanna miss it. This video was inspired by my daughter, so it's her recipe, so I'm just following her directions. Thanks for watching, and please watch the whole video so you won't miss any steps. Thanks. Okay, YouTube fam, I've already added my tricolor rotini noodles to the pot. We're gonna cook it according to the directions on the box, which is about we're gonna cook them probably about from 12 to 13 minutes, okay? And they'll be ready. This video is not gonna be long at all. Stay with me. Okay, YouTube fam, I'm working on the Rotel Dip now. I'm browning hamburger meat and pork sausage, hot pork sausage in a skillet. And once it browns, I'm gonna come right back, okay? Okay, YouTube fam, my beef and pork have started browning a little. That's when I add my seasoning sauce. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of garlic salt. 2 tablespoons of onion powder, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of Italian seasoning, whatever brand you like, and of course 2 tablespoons of Lowry seasoning salt. Okay. We're going to mix that well and let it continue to brown, and we'll be right back. Stay with me. Okay, YouTube fam, while my beef and pork sausage are browning, I'm going to go ahead and fix my pasta salad. The noodles have cooked. I've drained them. I didn't rinse them. Do not rinse your noodles, okay? Unless you have cooked them too long. Then you want to rinse them to stop the cooking process. But if you cook them according to the directions on the box, add them to your mixing bowl. And I'm going to show you what I'm going to do next. First, I add 2 tablespoons of garlic salt. Sorry about that. Okay, YouTube fam, the garlic salt is the only seasoning that I'm going to add to my pasta. That's all you really need, okay? Now I'm going to add 1/4 of an onion. I'm going to add 1/4 of a bell pepper. I'm going to add a tomato, a medium tomato, diced. It's going to make it delicious. And I'm also going to add a cucumber, okay? Once I add those, I'm going to gently toss it a little. And when I mean toss, I mean, you know, stir. Gently, I mean. Okay. Oh, it smells so good in here. I have made this is my daughter's recipe. I have made it several times. It is delicious. Okay. Now the last ingredient that I'm going to add is going to be Italian dressing. You're going to want to shake it to get all the seasonings mixed well in there. And you want to add 1, 2, 3 squeezes. 3 big squeezes to it, okay? And you just want to stir it. It looks so delicious. Oh, that looks delicious. Okay. Doesn't that look delicious? Now you can let it stay out if you like, and you can chill it in the refrigerator, but you want to cover it, okay, with aluminum foil or saran wrap. Just make sure you cover it, okay? Keep watching. Okay, YouTube fam, I'm starting on my Rotel Dip now. The hamburger meat and the pork sausage have cooked and browned. Right now I'm going to work on the sauce. I have in here 1/4 of cream cheese. And now I'm adding some Velveeta cheese into the pot. And this is going to make it just delicious. I'm going to let that melt, and I'll be right back. Okay, YouTube fam, I've already added 1 can of the Rotel diced tomato and green chilies to the cheese while it's melting. And I've also added 1/4 cup of heavy cream. And we're going to just stir it and let it melt. And I'll show you what we're going to do next. Okay, YouTube fam, the cheese is almost melted. We're not going to worry about that because we're going to put it in the oven for about 20 minutes. I'm going to add my ground beef and pork sausage in there. I've already drained the grease off of it. I'm going to add it all in there. It smells so delicious in here. And please, YouTube fam, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, okay? Please click it. And subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate that. And comment below how you make your Rotel Dip, because there's a lot of recipes out there, but this recipe is just one of the best. Like I say, my daughter inspired me to make this one, and I'll tell you, I've made it several times, and it is delicious. It is delicious. Let me get something to clean this stove. Like, you know me, I like to work in a clean kitchen as much as possible. Sometimes it's hard to do that. Okay, just gonna stir it a couple of times. And then I'm gonna put it in a I already preheated my oven to 345, and I'm gonna let it cook for about 20 minutes, and it'll be ready. Thanks for watching. Stay with me. Okay, YouTube fam, before I put it in the oven, I'm going to I like to add a couple more cubes of Velveeta cheese on top, because that Velveeta cheese, it makes it just delicious. You don't have to have much, and if you don't have any more left, that's fine. I just like to add a couple of pieces, and maybe, like I said, we're going to put it in the oven for about 20 minutes. At that 10-minute mark, just stir it a little and make sure the cheese has melted. And I'll be back, okay? Thanks for watching. Okay, YouTube fam. Look at that Rotel Dip. It looks delicious. I let it stay in the oven for about 20 minutes. At the 10-mile mark, I stirred it, you know, because I had added those extra Velveeta cubes. And then I put it back in the oven. And now it's done. It looks delicious. Please make this for your family. They really will enjoy it. And thanks for watching my video today. Please like, subscribe, comment below. Tell me how you make your Rotel Dip. And subscribe to my channel. And please hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of my next video. Thank you so much again for watching. I really appreciate that. I know I showed it on the long way, but I wanted to show you this way also. It just looks delicious. Enjoy.